In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable and disable dark mode in Windows 11. If I go to my computer, you can see that my computer is now in light mode. You can notice it in the taskbar as well. To change the theme to dark, right-click on the display. In the pop-up menu, click on Personalize. From this menu, click on Colors. Now change the mode from light to dark. After clicking on dark, you can see that the window has changed to dark mode automatically. Now let's go to my computer. As you can see here, all of the programs have changed to dark mode. If you want to change back to light mode, right-click on the display again. In the pop-up menu, click on Personalize. Click on Colors and change the mode to light. Here you can see that my settings have changed to light mode again.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.